What are the most common battery-related problems you encounter? So again, kind of all over the map. Corroded terminals and connectors, 17%. So again, if we go back to the preventative maintenance questions, if we were in proper service and cleaning those terminals and those connections, that shouldn't be a problem. Frequent battery drain or discharge, 15%. Again, this would lead me to parasitic draw or having too many auxiliary loads running off the starting battery bank. And we need to look at systems to put into place to prevent this from happening. Inconsistent voltage or failed load tests. Again, I would lead that more towards the frequent battery drain or discharge. It's just one of those things where you have a lot of parasitic draws now on heavy duty equipment, just like automotive, and that's an issue across the battery industry. Poor performance in cold weather. We will come back to this one later on in the slides because poor performance in cold weather is directly connected to hot weather. And Frank down in Texas is exposed to the hot weather a lot. And he has some success stories about what hot weather does to batteries.
Absolutely.
Obviously up in Canada, we're exposed to the cold weather. But it's the heat that kills batteries, and we'll get to that in a second here. Excuse me. Charging system malfunctions. Again, I wouldn't really put that towards a battery related problem. That would be an alternator going down, or charging system not working. No consistent problems noted. So 8% of the people don't have any problems, which is fantastic. But 8% still have swollen, leaking, or damaged battery cases. And if that is the case, again, you're either overcharging your batteries, damaged battery cases. I think I've seen a lot in my day of people not cleaning out their battery trays, and a little pebble might be at the bottom of the tray. Install the new batteries. Go over time, that pebble slowly vibrates its way up into the battery through the bottom of the case.